You're complaining because people don't want to prepare, but you don't want to teach them. And when you talk to them, you're an a-hole. What makes you think that people are going to listen to you with that bad attitude, with that condescending way of talking? What makes you think people will care to listen to you? You want people to prepare, but you want to be sarcastic and, just an asshole for no reason. Oh, that's just the way I am. Well, that's why people can't stand you. And I'm sorry to say this, but that is the reality of things. And in the prepper community, my God, do we have a number of assholes out there. It just, I don't know. I don't know if it's because the prepper community is an aging community, but it's funny. I had got comments before. You keep talking about this like we don't know. Well, if you don't know, don't listen. Or if you know, don't listen. It's not for you. Not everything is about you. You narcissistic individual. Oh my God, how dare you, Billy, say something political. Because the reason that I am here in this country is due to political reasons. So politics, you need to be aware of what's going on, and you need to be able to criticize elected officials so the same things that are happening don't happen again. Okay, makes no sense to me, but okay. And let's go to the whole, I want to teach preparedness, but I'm an asshole. And I know, I admit it. Then you have no business teaching whatsoever. If you don't like people, you can't teach. You can't tell people how to do something when you can't stand your own self. Because that's the reality of it. If you're bitter, you're going to pass on that bitterness to the other people. And when people don't know, they're going to ask questions that you're going to say, why are you asking me these stupid questions? Because they don't know. That's the reason why. And you should be happy that they're asking you those questions. Because at least they want to learn. Oh, no. I never asked that question. But they're not you. How about people start being a-holes? How about that? Especially preppers. How about you stop being that way? If you want people to be on your side because you're preparing for SHTF, the shit literally hitting the fan, what makes you think that people will approach you to help you with that bad attitude of yours? They will not. You will be the grumpy old dude or the grinchy old lady who nobody wants to deal with. And all they're going to say is like, oh my God, when are they going to die? Oh, Billy, how dare you say such a thing? Because it's the truth. It is the truth. I'm a lone wolf. I will survive no matter what. No, you will not. No, you will not. That book that you read about somebody and somewhere, you know what? That's because thousands of people try and the only survivor wrote a book, and now you think you can do it too. No. You smoke 2 packs of cigarette a day. You dip 3 cans a day. You have diabetes. You're overweight. You're not the same. You will not do it. You cannot do it. You have not done it. Hate me all you want, but you know what I'm saying is true. So stop. Oh, I want to teach others, but you're not. You're not, because you can't. This is something else. If somebody comes in and knows a little bit more than you, even if it's in a different thing, oh, that's it. You wrong. My way is the only way. How about you? We're talking now about adults with their own life and experiences, not children's, adults. But you don't want to be open-minded. You want to be around like-minded people, but not open-minded to understand that those people have different perspectives than you. I don't. This is why the prepper community, in my opinion, is failing. It's just, I don't know where and how we got here. I think it's just I think people just watch too many movies and they had not got enough. Life had not beat them enough. Life have not teach them enough. And they base everything on movies and on books. Movies are for entertainment purposes only. Books will teach you, but they lack the practical skills. The practical skills only come when you go up there and you cut your fingers and you bleed and you get grind under your nails and you go through it. That's when experience comes in. So I don't know. Guys, if you want the preparedness community to thrive, those of you who take great pride in being assholes, don't be an asshole anymore. You're not benefiting anybody. You think you're getting a kick out of, trolling people. You're not funny. You're not being constructed of a community. The whole lone wolf mindset of, oh, I'm going to go up there and survive. No, you will not. You probably will be the first one to die. And if you don't like what I'm saying, you're more than welcome to click off and unsubscribe. Because I have no time for nonsense and for grown children to be acting like fools. That's it. I have gone through too much in my life. I have seen way too much. And I'm only interested in hearing other people's experiences. I don't care about people's fantasies. I don't care about movies. I don't care about none of that. If you live through something, share it. If you want to teach and be part of a community, that's what we hear. But otherwise, to let a-holes, take over, just be an asshole just because you want to. How about you be an asshole on your own time and don't take time from the prepper community? If you're gonna be that way, you're not a prepper. You're just a Grinch and somebody who's gonna die alone. That being said, let me know what you think in the comment section below. I probably piss off a few people. I usually do that because I think I am one of the very few in this platform tell people things how they are. Some people don't like me. Some people like me. God bless you all equally. And I hope to see you in the next one.